Next, let me show you how to create a custom tool. So we'll go back to the studio and we'll go under the tool tab. And similar to the agents, we just have to fill out some fields. There are two different main types of custom tools. So we have an AI type and also a code type, which could be JavaScript or Python. So we'll start with an AI type, and I don't really want to fill all this out. So again, we'll go to Annie, generate me a blog gen tool. And we'll have her create all of this for us. So she can create the instructions. She gave it a provider and a model. She gave it input parameters, and it's got output parameters. So it's got everything you need for a blog post generation tool. And this tool can actually be used by other agents or in workflows. So it's pretty cool. So let's see here. So let's change it. I'll do OpenAI, and we'll do AI, and maybe the target audience is devs. And the tone is cool. And we'll just leave all that other blank, and we'll click run, and we can test how our tool works. So that is an AI type tool. So this is, think of this as similar to the OpenAI GPT feature or prompt templates. You know, that's really what this is here. So this is our output. I'll go ahead and clear that. And that is the AI type tool. And let me go ahead and show you the code type tools as well. So I'll go ahead and clear all this out. And let's look at a URL fetcher. So this is a code type tool. So it's using JavaScript, and it's got some custom code here that, you know, sets some parameters, and it uses fetch to actually fetch a URL, and it returns it. And then we've defined the parameters here, again, that can be used by a user or an AI agent or workflow or however. And we'll go ahead and actually punch one in. Let's do https agent.gg. And let's do get. And let's run the tool and make sure it works. Boom. So this is the HTML that's currently on the agent, that page right there. So it did in fact work. So perfect. So this is how you run your own custom tools. You can run pretty much any custom code you want. It's all baked in through a virtual machine and all that, so you can go ham. So what else? Oh, on that note, we've also got authentication built in. So the same tools that you added to the agent system, you can use here in your custom tools. So you can use the auth manager and actually get the GitHub token that you might have set in here and use it. So this is how you can add your own tools. It can be literally any API type tool used in here, and that uses your integrations here. So that is the custom tools.